Appraisal of REO and Foreclosure Properties, Chapter 4, Scope of Work, page 7, quiz. You pass with a 66.7%. So remember, Investor Fred is looking to purchase an apartment building. He finds two competing buildings for sale. Building 1 is in good condition and is located in an area with strong demand and increasing property values. Building 2 needs extensive repairs and is located in a declining neighborhood. If Fred purchases Building 2, he is expecting blank. You said property values in the neighborhood to stabilize. That was incorrect. The correct answer was a greater potential return on his investment. In return for assuming greater risk, a savvy investor expects a greater potential return on that investment. Conversely, a less risky investment would carry with it a lesser potential return. Number 2, Iris purchases a single-family home using conventional, typically available financing. Her loan is most likely blank. You said a fully amortizing loan. That is correct. And lastly, number 3, a placement of capital in expectation of deriving income or profit from its use is the definition of blank. You said investment. That is correct. Continue. Page 8, the role of valuation.
The role of valuation. There is an unquestioned need for valuation experts to be involved in the lending process. Expert valuation provides a number of protections to the investor, such as demonstrates due diligence to shareholders, manages risk, is performed by a disinterested third party, that is an independent, impartial, and objective individual, may require a license or certification, provides for a high level of public trust. Valuation experts include appraisers, brokers/agents, other professionals. Valuation services are provided by a variety of professionals, including appraisers and others. Only professional appraisers should provide appraisals. End of page. Definition: appraiser. USVAP defines appraiser as appraiser, one who is expected to perform valuation services competently and in a manner that is independent, impartial, and objective. Comment: such expectation occurs when individuals, either by choice or by requirement placed upon them or upon the service they provide by law, regulation, or agreement with the client or intended users, represent that they comply. 1. An appraiser is always independent, impartial, and objective. An appraiser may not perform an assignment as an advocate or with bias. 1. The Appraisal Foundation, Uniform Standards of Professional Appraisal Practice, Washington, D.C., Appraisal Standards Board, 2024 edition. Definitions. End of page. Definition: appraisal. How does USVAP define appraisal? For example, would an evaluation of real property collateral, as defined by federal financial institution regulatory agencies, be considered an appraisal? Let's look at the definition. Appraisal, noun, the act or process of developing an opinion of value. An opinion of value. Adjective, of or pertaining to appraising and related functions such as appraisal practice or appraisal services. Comment: an appraisal is numerically expressed as a specific amount, as a range of numbers, or as a relationship, for example not more than, not less than, to a previous value opinion or numerical benchmark, for example assessed value, collateral value. 2. An opinion of value is an appraisal. This would include a single point opinion of value, for example $300,000, a range, for example $300,000 to $320,000, or a relationship to a benchmark, for example at least as much as my previous value opinion. The use of other nomenclature for an appraisal or appraisal review assignment, for example analysis, counseling, evaluation, study, submission, or valuation does not exempt an appraiser from adherence to USPAP. The service is defined by what it is, and not by what it is called. For example, an evaluation, as defined by federal financial institution regulatory agencies, is an appraisal because it provides an opinion or estimate of market value. To IBID. End of page.